Hello guys, this is Joseph, the SMC day trader, and today we're going to talk about the liquidity level. And this is not the same conception as the last video. I already explained what is liquidity. This video will talk about more and more deep basic logic behind liquidity. So before we started, if you haven't subscribed or push the like button to my channel and my video, don't forget to put the like button and subscribe to my channel and use my link to register the exchange to get 10% trading fees off. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below or contact me with WhatsApp. I will teach you more free SMC strategy. Okay, let's get started. Between the trading chart, in last video, we always talk about the liquidity. So today, we're going to talk how to find the liquidity level and how to use it to enter the market. So right now it's 2025, April 23. Or look at the chart of Bitcoin right now. So we can see the price here have a strong low, the strong support here in this low price and this high price. And change to 1 hour chart. We can see it's a bullish trend market right now. And we can see most of the candles are going up immensely. But there's still a few parts here doing consolidation between each time going up. For example, you can see here, and here, and here. So we look at it as a liquidity level. Why? Because only between these price, we have more orders than other place, than this candle or this candle. Out of these price, there are not a lot of orders. So for showing you how, we're using the tool here. This is the tool to show you between two price where have the most orders. So we choose this point, the swing low to the swing high. And we can see this candle here. It shows if it's green bar, that shows the buying. If it's a red bar, that shows selling. And the larger the bar, it means the more the order placement. So we can see between these three areas, we have the most orders, no matter it's selling or it's buying. So now we can identify these three levels are liquidity level. So now, how we use these three levels to enter the price, to enter the market to make profit. So take the first liquidity level, for example. So now, how we use these liquidity level to enter the price? First, we have to know the price likely to take the liquidity before going to the next level of resist or support. So we can identify here by using these two shadows here to see. Here's two liquidity grab here. So after grabbing the liquidity level, we can see the price going up and keep going. And also we have to know here it's a strong bullish pattern. So the only thing we have to do is going long. We're not going to trying to get short here because by using 4 hours chart, we can see all the candle almost green candle, like upping candle. So if you're going short here, will be a lot of difficult. So we only do one thing, just wait for the price to hit the lower point or grabbing the liquidity. After that, we go in long and just put our stop loss here and target the high point. And once we can see the outbreak here, you can see the outbreak here by 1 hour chart, or you can use 15-minute chart, but 1 hour chart is more stable, it will give you less fake. It will give you less fake information. You can see the candle it's going up, land this high level, and get resisted by this high level multiple times, 3 times here. So we know this is a strong, this resist turning into support right now. Now we know we can enter here for a long and put our stop loss just below this low point, and going to find next resist. And where we can find the next resist by changing to day chart. Between this level, we can identify here. Here is the first resist point, and we just break through. So next resist point might be here. The price get rejected again. And the next one will be here. It's right now. And the next will be here. And again, how to recognize these resist points? We can see the chart. When the price get here, you can see it get resist. So we take it as a resist point, a higher point here, and here again, and here, the last swing low before going down. So these 3 points will be our profit point, our target. So if you enter here, you can target here. Or we can try to use the same tool again to see what's happening here. So let's check the tool. From here, not too long, just from here to here. So we can see here, it's a very, very strong resist because there's a lot of selling order and buying order here. So the price will not ignore this order. The price will start to exchange the order, going up and down here, and to see which is stronger. If the seller is stronger, the price will going down. If the buyer is stronger here, it will keep going. So right now we know how to target the price, how to target the profit point, and how to use the tools to identify the liquidity and resistor zone. That will help us to enter the market. So let's see the chart today, what happened today in this morning. So we can see there's one liquidity grab here, and the price just get pushed back. And where will the price will go? The things we hope is the price to get all the liquidity here and leave a long shadow here, and then keep pushing up. So what we can do is to wait the price reach this level and leave a candle, leave long shadow, to leave a shadow and put our stop loss behind this shadow and target our profit point, the higher point. This will be our first target point, and the next will be here. As I said already, this place will be the next resist. So we can target here or here as you want. You want to be more safe, or you want to try and take more risk because high chance the price might not reach here. You may get bounced back here. You might not reach your target point here. So if you want to be more safe, you can just target the higher point here. And also it's a 3.25 reward and risk. So regardless, even you are not target the higher point, it's also a good trade here. So that's how we're waiting right now. Or if the selling is very strong, right now it's not strong because we can see there's a few green candle here and pushing the price back and leaving few shadow here. So I think the price will just stop here. But if the seller is very strong, we might see the price just getting down here to take the next level of liquidity and then going up. This is because the price always want to take all the liquidity, and liquidity means money because there's a lot of stop loss here, as the last video I said. So if the price reach this point, we also can wait for a big shadow and make a long here and target the same high point. So that's how we make profit in the marketplace. So that's all the video today, to tell you how to find the liquidity level and how to use it to make profit in the crypto marketplace. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe my channel And if you have any questions, you can use WhatsApp to contact me or leave a comment below. I will answer to these questions and help you. And don't forget to use my link to register the exchange to get 10% off the trading fee. Thank you for today. See you